Namaste investors and traders. It's 5th August 2025 and we are here with the Nifty 50 chart daily time frame. आप सबको पता है there is a news circulating around. There are a lot of news circulating around actually based on national and global international factors. So as also there is a news we have got to know that Russia exits nuclear treaty with USA. Seems to be a bit disaster for USA only, but let's see how our market reacts. So keeping aside the news first, let's focus on Nifty chart daily basis. So आज की क्लोजिंग हुई है अराउंड 24,650. अगर हम थोड़ा जूम करके देखते हैं तो these are called the inside bars. पिछले 2 दिन से प्रॉपर इनसाइड बार बन रही है, इनसाइड कैंडल बन रहा है, सो विच शोज अ ग्रेट स्ट्रेंथ एंड इट मे गिव अ ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेकडाउन ईदर वेज. जब कभी भी इनसाइड बार बनता है तो उसका हाई या लो तोड़ने पर एक प्रॉपर कैंडल बनती है एंड देन इट फॉलोज द ट्रेंड और इट समथिंग इट्स लाइक कंटिन्यूएशन और रिवर्सल. सो लेट्स सपोज. So what we can do is, as always I say that we cannot predict the market, but yes, we have the levels at place, we have the levels in mind, so we can act accordingly. Let's see how we can do that. So अभी यहाँ पे ये जो एरिया बना हुआ है, यहाँ पे ये एक बार दो बार ऑलरेडी सपोर्ट ले चुका है. Before also ये these were the zones, these were the areas where it has taken support, hence this blue line is made. So let's break it down into simpler ways now. The RSI is 40, which is almost oversold. Once it goes below 30, it will be considered oversold, but still it's in a little bit of oversold zone. So what we will do is, first thing is we will be converting this into hourly chart. Okay. Now if I see the hourly chart and convert this into line chart, my picture becomes clearer. Now how this becomes clearer? I would like to draw a zone where this has been taken support earlier as well in hourly chart. So what is that zone? This is the zone which I was talking about. First zone, which is around 24,550 to 24,630. Second time it has taken the same support zone. Third time it has taken the same area as a support and moved further with a higher high and higher low. So let's go further. Now this was around June 2025, May 2025. Now it's August and we are back to the same zone. Now when it comes to the same zone, now there are few possibilities. What we can do is we can discuss the possibilities. The first option, the first possibility is it may bounce from the zone upways, upside. Alright, so this is a zone. For example, अगर ये यहाँ पे support लेता है 1-2 दिन या कुछ घंटे consolidate करता है और यहाँ से जाता है around ऊपर. Now where can it go? What can be the levels? So the zone we should be ready with is this one. Now why this one? Why have I selected only this zone? The reason being this zone has been taken as a resistance earlier. So seeing that is historical data, this area was the area where it has taken the resistance. 1, 2, ये proper resistance तो नहीं लिया, but yes यहाँ पे consolidate करके it has taken the resistance and this is a fourth time where it has broke out. Got it? So now when after the resistance it breaks out and comes back, that zone becomes the support zone. अब इसने support लिया, consolidate किया, support तोड़ा, वापस consolidate किया and it has broken again. So perfect resistance and support zones we have in hand. So अब हम इसका next देखते हैं possibility. If it goes, there is a possibility it may touch around 25, maybe this brown line around 24,968 or around 24,040 और 24,200 के आसपास. So these are the levels in place. Second option है यहीं पे थोड़े घंटे consolidate कर जाए. Third option will be, let's take this zone. Let me zoom some more. Okay, ये एरिया हो जाता है और पीछे जाए. Perfect. Now why have I selected this zone? The reason being, यहाँ पे इसने लिया था support. This was the support taken, broken the support, again support taken. This time the support converts into resistance. Again resistance, broken the resistance. Next time took the support. Sorry, here also we have another support. So resistance, the same resistance area converts into support area, and the same support area converts into resistance areas. So this is how it goes. Now in case if it breaks down this zone, we have good space here till 24,000. हो सकता है यहाँ S2 से भी पलट जाए बीच से. There are chances. I'm just providing you the levels where we have to keep our levels in the mind and should be ready for both the moves, either ways. When few factors are involved, when some kind of distribution level is there, we must respect the levels rather than being biased at one side, always being bullish or always being bearish. It may also go sideways sometimes. So we have seen three possibilities. यहाँ पे consolidate कर सकता है या फिर थोड़ा सा इसका support लेकर ऊपर जा सकता है. ऊपर जाएगा तो इसका zone ये है. यहाँ पे consolidate करके breakdown देता है तो इसका zone यहाँ पे ये है, because seeing the historical data ये वाला आपका zone निकलता है. So be ready for any of the moves. This is something like आपको रणनीति के लिए prepare, किसी भी वॉर के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, आपके पास आपकी रणनीति तैयार होनी चाहिए, स्ट्रैटेजी तैयार होनी चाहिए, rather than कि आप एकदम अनप्रिपेयर्ड हो मार्केट में. फैक्टर्स रहेंगे, न्यूज़ फ्लोट होते रहेंगे, सर्कुलेट होते रहेंगे, बट लेट्स बी रेडी विद आवर लेवल्स. Hope you like this video. If yes, do like and subscribe for our motivation. Thank you. And it's a new channel and I'm really delighted to see the subscribers being increasing. Take care. Jai Hind. See you soon.